Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to explain to you the system between in the settings, which are local settings, database settings and company settings. The three different ways to set an actual setting within your company and structure. Okay, so log in, settings administration, software settings. Okay, so you might have noticed there are these little pluses against all the settings. So let's open one up. There you go. There are three different settings here to worry about. You've got the standard value, which is effectively your local setting. Now a local setting basically means it is local to that machine, terminal, back office alone. The database override will override your local setting, which basically means that whenever anyone connects to that database, that is the setting it's going to use. And once again, the company override overrides them all, which basically means that absolutely any terminal, any back office within your company will use that setting. So for an example, my company name, generally speaking, will be a company-wide setting. So my company is no matter what, it's all over. So what we can do is we can actually add our company name into the company override of this setting. So we pop that in there like so. And let's just type in Premier EPOS. Ooh, Premier EPOS. Pop that in there like so. And close that over. What happens now is if I now save this and then go back into the software settings, what you'll then find is that it's gone like a grey colour, which will indicate that it's an override setting. So it's overriding any local setting. So if we open up, we can actually see why. Yeah, there you go. There's the company override. Now for any company overrides, if you ever set any of these settings, it generally takes about 15 minutes to spread across all of your terminals and back offices, just as a heads up. So, as an example, for example, a database override would be maybe the store name. For example, your store might be called something completely different. It could be the actual street name or something like that. So, for example, we will change just the database of that one because we don't want every single terminal to use the store name. Say if you've got several stores, they don't want to be called the same thing. So a database override for that one would be the actual, say, for example, the store name. So let's just put in store 1. We'll accept that, and there you have it. Same thing applies. We click on save and log ourselves back in. We'll then see it's gone grey to indicate that that is now a database override, and you can have a look inside, and as you can see, it's been set as an override. Obviously one, which is a good one, which would be till number. Now that is definitely going to always stay as a local setting. You don't want that setting to be changed if someone logs in. The whole point of your till numbers is that they are unique to every single one of your back offices or tills themselves. So that is a good example of one that will always stay local and will never ever be a database or a company override. So I do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for tuning in. Check us out next time. Thank you very much. Bye now.